what is your best golden advice? Short, sweet, powerful, bit of advice that how not to get wrecked into crypto. So someone out there that's now, I'm excited. What are we going to do? What is your best advice for someone out there?
Yeah, things that come to mind, because that's obviously you can take that question a lot of different directions. And so don't be a lone wolf. Don't be a lone wolf. Everything great happens in a team.
Mm.
So I would highly recommend be a part of a community that is engaged and passionate and knowledgeable. That's one thing about this community. Mike, people follow the leader, and you hear Mike speak. He's very technically savvy. So what do you think most of his community is? These guys are sharp, and that's what I love about it. Because I'm learning. We all learn from each other, and that's one thing. So definitely be a part of a good, solid community. Because guess what? You can ask questions that's on your mind, and we want you to ask as many questions. It's like a free consulting service. You're surrounded by a lot of sharp guys. So iron sharpens iron. And then the second thing, just to give something specific, because security, you don't want to lose your money. And as every day that passes, these hackers and these people with no conscience, they get smarter and smarter, and they find creative ways to take your money. So I want anybody out there that's using MetaMask, they should have a disclaimer. And I got this from Mike, but I'm because of my hacking experience, I'm gonna say it this way. So anybody that's using MetaMask, they should have an actual disclaimer on there. Do not use MetaMask without a ledger or some type of hard wallet. Otherwise, it's just a matter of the hacker focuses on you or not, because they can find a way to get into that. And just because you haven't been hacked, don't take that for granted. Get a ledger. So if you're hearing this and you don't have one, get a ledger and start interfacing and experiencing MetaMask and these other cold wallets in that type of manner. And then at the end of the day, I also would say we all invest for making money. So take profit. Do not hesitate to take profit when you have the opportunity to do so. Don't chase the moon. Nobody can breathe on the moon. Just be happy when you get a certain altitude, so you can jump off that plane in a parachute and land safely with a bag of money in your hand. And then last but not least, I got to throw this in because it's been on my mind. Be internally driven. You don't want to be, if the market goes up, then you get happy and hype, and that's good. But when the market goes down, don't crash down with the market. Be internally driven. Focus on your character. Desire for more patience. Desire for more, just honesty, and just the things that represent, being a good person. The money will come naturally. So, on that note, that's what I got.
Thank you.
Excellent. Great advice.